my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about usage model for synchronization. Synchronization helps storage at enterprise server a large chunk of information for many devices connected to it and update partial copies of data at frequent interval. The following are the different processes in data synchronization. Synchronization between the server and device when the server sends full copy. Synchronization between device as a data generating source and server when device sends full copy. Synchronization between server and device when partial but consistent copy stored at device and updated as soon as the copy modifies. Synchronization between server and device for partial but consistent copy stored at device, but the modified copy at server need not be sent to the device on next transaction. Types of synchronization. Data synchronization has happened in between the mobile device and service provider, mobile device and personal computer, or between the mobile devices which are enabled Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The following are different synchronization categories. Two-way synchronization. Partial or full copies of data are synchronized between device and server. For example, consider the same data set at the device and at the server. Two-way synchronization means any changes made at one side, it should be consistent at other side. Server altered synchronization. In this method, when the data is modified at server, then it generates the alerts to the client. Now, the client synchronizes modified data by placing the pull request to the server. One-way server initiated synchronization. In this method, server initiates synchronization of any new modifications since the communication of last modification. Now, the server sends the modified copy to the client. Refresh synchronization at client. In this method, client initiates the synchronization with the server for refreshing its data and refreshing its configuration parameter saved at server. For example, when the connecting device parameters are changed or a new device connected to the server, then the configuration information is sent to the server to take place the data dissemination from server or refresh synchronization at clients in future. Client initiated synchronization. Here the client initiates synchronization with the server for sending its modification. For example, the client mobile device initiates synchronization of ringtones or music file available at server in periodic interval or as and when it connects to the server. Refresh from client for backup and update synchronization. Here the client initiates the synchronization and sends backup to the server for updating its data. For example, a mobile device initiates refreshing of the hoarded data at the server in periodic interval or as and when it connects to the server. Slow full data copy synchronization. In this method, client and server data copies are compared field by field and are synchronized as per conflict resolution rules. The full copy synchronization takes place when device is in idle state and immediately not connected to the server. For this reason, it is called slow synchronization, but it is a thorough synchronization. Formats of synchronization data copies. During the synchronization, the data formats at a server and at the device may be different from each other. When the data at the source is synchronized with data at the receiver, it should be done as per the formats of the receiver. The following are different formats of data at the receiver. Database record. Here the records are indexed to facilitate search operation by placing the query. For example, the contacts in the mobile are indexed as per the first alphabet of the name. Flat file. In the flat file format, the data should be interpreted as a single unit. That is, we should read the file from beginning to end. Data should not be picked up from the middle of the file. For example, an XML or HTML file at the server is synchronized with the file at device, which is in text or binary file format. The total file should be transmitted to the device. Device specific storage. Sometime a device may use the specific storage format for synchronizing data with the server. The device specific format is depending upon a specific protocol used by the device. For example, AAC, Apple Audio Communication, is used to music files. Domain dependent specific rules for data synchronization. A mobile computing system consists of multiple domains in which data synchronization takes place. Data in mobile device domain has different rule for storage and usage compared with remote system. For example, data in a system domain is identified by alphabets maximum of 255 characters, and the same data in mobile domain may be identified with 8-bit number. Thank you for watching.